Today we're going to install RAM, so head over to a website like Crucial where you can figure out what kind of RAM you have. By running their scan, they'll tell you what type you need. It's a common mistake to choose the wrong kind, and there's a simple way to just have the computer do it. Scan your system and tell you what type you're going to need, and we'll know in a second. Okay, now we know what type to order, and we can go buy it and then crack open the case.
Netbooks were popular for a while, and they're basically cheap, inexpensive machines that were low powered, but they were good enough for just like surfing the web and whatnot. And one of the wonderful things Microsoft did was, in order to get Windows cheap, you could only sell netbooks with only a gig of RAM, which isn't enough. So one of the best things you can do to speed up the performance of your netbook is to put more RAM in it. So we've got this chip here from Crucial that just came in the mail, and we're going to pop this in and see how much more speedier this is going to be. So let's see. That's the battery. Here is the RAM. How the heck do I get this out? Well, let's pop out the battery, because you shouldn't do anything on a computer with the power connected. So, I think I need a screwdriver. Well, they really locked this in here. Good. Okay, there's a tiny little notch there. You got to line that up. Pop that back in. Put the battery back in. Help to put it in correctly.
Now we just need to see if the computer sees the RAM and the correct amount.